Good morning, students. In the last class, I delivered the lecture on nomenclature of aldehyde. Now I deliver the lecture on ketones. That is how to assign the IUPAC name for the ketones. Just a brief information here. This is similar to aldehyde, but secondary suffix for ketone is 1. Ketone group is not at a terminal carbon atom, it is always in between carbon atoms. Here also the last letter E of the name of the parental hydrocarbon must be replaced by 1. In aldehyde suffix as Al, but in ketone suffix as ONE. Now I give some examples here. That is CH3, C11O, CH3. That is 3 carbons are there. Propane, you leave the replace E by ONE, propanone. And second one, CH3, C11O, CH2, CH3. That is 4 carbon is there. And you give the number from left side 1 to second carbon possessing the ketonic group. That is why 2 butane, you replace E by 1, 2 butanone. The next example, the third example is there. You give the numbers to the right side, begin the number from right side, the second carbon atom possessing the ketonic group and third carbon possessing the side chain. So that is why 3-ethyl 2-butanone. And fourth example, the second and fourth position of carbon possessing the methyl group, that is 2,4-dimethyl 3-hexanal. And fifth one, 5-ethyl 2,3-dimethyl 4-heptanone, because the parental chain possessing the 7 number of carbons. Okay, so that is why 5-ethyl 2,3-dimethyl 4-heptanone. And sixth one, just I give the bond line structure. The first bond line structure is converted into complete structure. That becomes like this. That is sixth example. Here second and fourth carbon possessing the methyl group, that is 2,4-dimethyl 3-hexanone. Seventh one is second carbon possessing the ketonic and third carbon possessing the double bond. And there are 5 carbons are there in the parental chain. Pent 3-ene and replace E by 1, that is 2-1. Pent 3N2-1. Okay, and next examples, the 8th one, 3,6,7 trimethyl oct 5-ene. And 9th one, hex 5-wine ಆಗಬೇಕದು 5-wine 2-1. 10th one, 10th example, 10th, that is 3-ethyl 4-methyl 2-pentanone. And 11th one, 4-methyl hept 5-ene 3-1. These are the examples. And next there is next structure and bonding in carbonyl group. Here I draw the C double bond O structure. That is planar structure and C double bond O So here just a brief explanation here. Carbon atom of carbonyl group is sp2 hybridized, hence it has a planar structure. sp2 hybridized carbon in carbonyl group forms 3 sigma bonds with other atoms using 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals, one with oxygen atom, another with carbon atom, and one more with hydrogen in aldehyde. In ketone, the carbon atom forms 2 sigma bonds with carbon atom and one with oxygen as usual. Unsaturated p orbital of carbon lying perpendicular to the plane of hybrid orbital undergoes. Okay, and next here the sideway overlapping with p orbital of oxygen to form pi bond. Thus, there is a double bond between carbon and oxygen. Due to sp2 hybridization, this bond angle at carbonyl carbon is 120 degree. This is about structure and bonding in aldehyde and ketone. Okay, and today I discussed the nomenclature of ketone and bonding structure in aldehyde and ketone. This completes the today's class. Now you practice again and again. Today only I sent these notes, rewrite in fair book. Now I quit the class. Thank you.